na ako na the GMA Networks niling contract expiring sa ito na sa GMA Networks pala na sa statement na nabuhay na after 32 years. Sinampataposan ng kapuso ng contract expiring sa bumundo na retiro ng 32 years, 10 years, and 2014 to 2024, the end of the era in 2010s. Hindi na nasanan ng patawad na the end of the careers. The starting of the gabansin, the sing around time masing GMA Network. Sino nga sa manin sa atin, Verdana na I am a future. I am a future GMA Network. 2022 and in January 7, 2022 present and returns to GMA for me in 2015, and then after 7 years the 2025 and upgraded GMA Archer Center and upgraded, okay. Is a fucking legend, okay. I really bad calling record. Sino ang paalam sa actress? Malapit na.